Hey beautiful people! If your face turns into a literal oil factory during summer, this video is your new best friend. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a long-lasting, sweat-proof summer makeup look that's perfect for oily skin. We're talking matte finish, no creasing, and glow in all the right places. So grab your setting spray, and let's beat the heat in style. Part 1. Prepping oily skin the right way. Before we even touch foundation, the key is skin prep. Oily skin needs lightweight, oil-controlling products that won't clog your pores. Steps: gel-based cleanser, start fresh and oil-free. Oil-free moisturizer, yes, oily skin still needs hydration. Mattifying primer, especially on your T-zone. Tips: avoid heavy creams in summer. Use blotting paper before starting makeup if you're already oily. Part 2. Choosing the right base. Now let's talk foundation. This is where most people mess up. Foundation tips: use matte, oil-free, long-wear foundation. Apply with a damp beauty sponge for a smooth, light finish. Avoid thick layers, less is more for oily skin. Use a color corrector before foundation if you have redness or dark spots. Part 3. Setting it like a prom. Here comes the magic trick: powdering smartly. Translucent setting powder, press it into the skin with a puff, especially around the nose, forehead, and chin. Bake under the eyes if needed, optional for a glam look. Use a mattifying setting spray, not just at the end, but in between layers. Part 4. Sweat-proof eyes and brows. Oily eyelids are a real thing, and they can ruin your whole vibe. Let's fix that. Tips: use eyeshadow primer before applying anything. Go for powder or matte shadows, avoid creamy formulas. Use waterproof eyeliner and mascara only, no exceptions in summer. Set your brows with a clear or tinted brow gel to lock them in place. Part 5. Blush, highlight and lips, the finishing touches. Let's finish the look with color, but keep it summer-friendly. Blush: use a powder or stain, cream blush may slide off oily skin. Highlight: go for subtle, soft powder highlights on the high points of your face. Lips: use a long-wear matte lipstick or a lip tint, skip sticky glosses in the heat. Carry blotting papers or a mini powder compact in your bag for touch-ups. And that's it, your ultimate summer makeup routine for oily skin. You'll stay matte, fresh, and glowing in the right places all day long. Let me know in the comments what your biggest oily skin struggle is, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty